see a cow out in the field. It's munching grass. What a lovely meal. I asked the cow, what sound do you make? She says, moo, moo, wide awake. What sound do you make? Let me guess, for goodness sake. Every creature has a say. Let's learn them all today. I see a duck beside the lake, flapping wings, make no mistake. I ask the duck, what sound do you do? She says, quack, quack, and splashes too. What sound do you make? Let me guess, for goodness sake. Every creature has a say. Let's learn them all today. The dog goes woof, the cat says meow, the sheep goes baa. Can you do it now? The horse says neigh, the frog says ribbit. Learning sounds is